guys, how's everybody doing? So I'm a Fisker Ocean Ultra owner, and I had this vehicle for about 30 days, and I just wanted to share my experience about the vehicle in general, and also like install a dash cam. How I went about selecting this particular model. This is the model, and it's a Combar 3-channel dash cam. It basically comes with a front camera and a rear camera along with a cabin camera. It's in 4K. It's got an app, and of course, like, it does have this GPS tracking. There's a connection of 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Basically, the Wi-Fi is only to connect to your to the phone, and there's a magnetic bracket that you can actually use to attach it to the windshield. Before I bought this particular dash cam, I did my research by going to fiskerit.com. Shout out to this wonderful forum for Fisker Ocean owners or those who are interested in it, to get to know about everything about the vehicle, the software updates and all things. So far, my experience with the vehicle is positive. In the sense regarding the build and the driving experience, the quality of the driving experience, it's really awesome. The vehicle is well built, fantastic. It's got sustainability and eco-friendly features in it, and there are, of course, some software glitches, but being a software-defined vehicle, this is going to be fixed as we go, and there's a major upgrade on its way. Hopefully it's rolled out to all the Fisker Ocean owners. Now, getting back to the dash cam installation, I'll show you how I run the wires and what I had to do. So let's get inside the vehicle and let's see how this particular dash cam is installed. All right, so there you see it's in the front, and there's some wires dropping down. For the power, as you can see, I purchased an 12-volt cigarette lighter extension cord, because the 12-volt cigarette lighter outlet is at the back of the vehicle, and the camera is at the front, right? So I will provide the links in the YouTube video, and incidentally, this the link to the Amazon item was also shared in fiskerit.com, and also when I posted in the forum about your experience, hey, can you share your experience in dash cams and other things, a lot of great folks, they shared the experience, and it's a great resource, really. I tell you, if you haven't subscribed to that, go ahead and do it. Right now, the way that I had routed this particular wire from the back to the front, I'll show you. So I ran this, you can see the red and black wire from the side. Okay, it goes up. I could have done a better job of tucking this in, but all right. So it goes along this particular, and then it goes from the right hand side all the way to the back. Okay, and the other wire that actually needs to be routed from the back to the front is the rear camera cord, and that's the connection to the main unit. So I ran this again from this cavity over here. All right, as you can see. Okay, it takes a little bit of time to tuck it in, I use some tools that I purchased again on Amazon that helps you do that. There's a tool that comes along with the dash cam in order to do this. Okay, and the wire, it goes here. Okay, all right, and there's a clip. All right, let me see. Okay, focus that. Okay, there's a clip that I have it here so that it stays in place. All the extra cable goes in here, and it goes all the way back from the left hand side to the camera at the back. Oops. Okay, so that's the routing of the cables and the wires. Let's go back to the rear of the vehicle. First, let's see the 12 volt cigarette lighter cable extension. So that's a socket at the back, as I mentioned, and this goes from over here, goes up all the way there. Okay, and that's going to the front. All right, and as far as the camera is concerned, what I did was like I stuck it up here. I found that's the best place to do it, and I use a little bit of Gorilla Glue to make it stick and stay. And the wire actually goes back from the left, and as you can see, it's you can't see the wire because it goes into the cavity at the top. Plenty of do that. The tools that I use to do this essentially is again on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the YouTube video, and that's the 12 volt cigarette lighter extension cord that I used to finish the job. I think the time that it takes for tucking it in the front, it takes a little bit of time and patience. Otherwise, like, it's pretty intuitive, the installation, and the dash cam has got an app that works, and I'm pretty satisfied with it, the quality of the video and other things. So hopefully this will help others like who are looking to install a dash cam for their Oceans. All right, thank you for watching.